You guys may have noticed that, my room changed a little bit. What happened? I put potatoes, sweet potatoes, in an aquarium right next to my computer, and there's a little beta fish in there named Twee. The potatoes will be cool. You'll see. You'll all see. Hi, Twee. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be starting, I guess, a mini series. I don't know if I want to call it a series, but it's going to be called Quick Tip Tuesdays. Yeah. And we're just going to be going over quick topics that anyone as a graphic designer, multimedia specialist, website developer, photographer, videographer, anybody like that, just quick tips that you guys should know, and it should help you out. It'll just be quick videos. Quick Tip Tuesday. Needs its own logo, I guess. No, probably not. I don't want to. Nah, no. Maybe. I don't know. But today's Quick Tip Tuesday video will be covering how to print stickers using Adobe Illustrator. More specifically, it's going to be just going over how to set up your file in Adobe Illustrator so the printer knows what to cut out, where to cut out, what contour lines to trace, and all that good stuff. So without further ado, we're going to be hopping right into it. Cool. So the first thing you're going to want to do after you create the graphic that you're going to turn into a sticker, whether that's your logo or whatever, is to create a separate layer from that logo or graphic called Cut Contour. And this separate layer is specifically going to be what the printer's tracing out, where it's cutting around your graphic. So, that's the border of the sticker. That's cut off. It's cutting it out of the adhesive paper. Cool. So what you're going to see me doing here is creating this separate layer, calling it Cut Contour, capital C's, one word. And then I'm going to be selecting magenta as the color that the printer is going to be tracing and cutting instead of printing that color. And this is just because it stands out more from the rest of the design. I'm sure you could use other colors, but I've always been taught to use magenta for the reason that it stands out. So the magenta color that you're setting up as the cut lines, it's actually going to be its own swatch color that you set up. It's going to be called Cut Contour. And this is specifically just so you can go into the settings and change it to spot color. This is important to do, so make sure that you do it. So that's really all you need for the Adobe Illustrator file. You're going to export it as a PDF. Nothing too special there. But then once you send it over to your printer or whoever's printing it for you, there's a few just final steps that you need to take to make sure that it's printing it and cutting it as a sticker and not just as, a regular printable file, because otherwise it'll print the magenta and you don't want that. So once you get into your printer settings, I'm using a roll-in printer that I use at work. But you're going to want to set up things like the width of the paper, how many stickers you're going to print, and kind of the just general layout of the printable file. However, there is one setting that you should really pay attention to and make sure that you do, and it's just to select the type of paper that you're printing on. You should select an adhesive paper, some kind of adhesive type paper, and you're going to want to make sure that once you do so, that when you see the file preview, you're going to see what I call dancing ants around any cut contour lines that are magenta on the printable preview, I guess, or print preview. So the dancing ants just indicate that that's where the printer is going to cut after it prints the graphic. It's going to go back and then cut those contour lines out, and it won't actually print them. It'll cut them. Yeah, and then once you select that setting and make sure that you see the dancing ants, that should mean that your stickers are good to print and you should be all set. So it's very simple, very easy, quick tip, done, timer stop. If I had a timer, I'd put a timer, right? Probably. But yeah, so that's going to do it for this video, guys. Hopefully this video helped you guys out for a quick tip. Hopefully it wasn't too long, under 5 minutes, hopefully. I don't know. But yeah, this is a tip that I think that a lot of graphic designers should know. Learning how to print your own stickers is pretty cool. If you want to do a logo, or you got a different graphic that you just want stickers of, it's cool. It's good promotion. But yeah, if you have any questions or inquiries, make sure to check out my website, linked down below. Also check out my social media, also be linked down below, And make sure to subscribe, guys, because it helps me out, gives me motivation. So yeah, until next time, bye. I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help